We all know how Matt Armstrong moves. Every Sunday evening, like clockwork, there's always a new video. That's the pattern. That's what everyone is used to. So when that pattern breaks, you already know something is up. Because this time, he didn't drop on Sunday. He pushed it to Monday evening instead, just slightly off schedule. And that might sound small at first, but if you've been following this Bugatti rebuild closely, you'll understand why this is actually a big deal. Matt doesn't just delay uploads like that, especially not on a project this serious. So, the moment that update dropped, it instantly got people thinking. Then he posted this. Bank holiday Sunday this week, which means this week's video will drop on Monday. This is going to be a massive video for me. The Miami house was a huge milestone for me personally, but what's coming on Monday is just next level. So excited for the vid. See you guys Monday. Now pause for a second. Massive video. Next level. And this is coming after everything we've already seen so far. So naturally, you start asking yourself, what exactly is coming that's bigger than everything we've seen already? Now, before we go deeper into that, real quick, if you love the update, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, because this next phase of the Bugatti rebuild is about to reveal things most people never expected. And you don't want to miss how it all plays out. Now here's where it starts getting even more interesting. Because this rebuild was never normal from the beginning. We're talking about a Bugatti, not just any car, one of the most controlled and restricted cars in the world. And yet, this whole project didn't follow the usual path at all. No easy support, no smooth access to parts, no simple process. Instead, it's been challenge after challenge, back to back. And somehow, they keep pushing through it every single time. Now think about everything that's already happened. Moments where people doubted the process. Moments where things didn't even look possible. But step by step, they kept finding a way forward. And that's what makes this stage of the rebuild different. Because now, we're no longer at the beginning anymore. We're not even in the middle either. We're getting close to the part where everything finally starts coming together. The major work, already handled. The complicated stages, already pushed through. Now it's all about results. And this is usually the stage where things either come together perfectly, or something unexpected shows up again. Because if there's one thing this rebuild has shown clearly, it's that nothing about it has been predictable at all. Every time it feels like things are settling, something changes again. So when Matt says this next video is next level, it doesn't sound like hype anymore. It sounds like something important is about to happen. Something that could change how this whole project is seen completely. Now think about the delay again. Why push it to Monday? If it was just a normal update, that usually means one thing. There's something in that video worth waiting for. Something that couldn't just be rushed out or posted quickly. And when you connect that to everything surrounding this Bugatti build, it starts to feel like we're about to witness a major moment. Because this isn't just about fixing a car anymore. It's about proving what's actually possible, showing real results where people expected limitations, and whether people say it openly or not. There's been pressure around this project from the very start. People watching closely. People talking constantly. People waiting to see the final outcome. And that kind of attention, it builds serious expectations. So now, we're at a point where everything matters even more than before. Every detail, every move, every result. Because this is where things start to show clearly. Now here's another way to look at it. What if this next video isn't just progress? What if it's the moment everything finally connects? Because every big rebuild has that one stage, that one turning point, where everything either clicks perfectly or gets even more complicated. And based on how Matt is talking about this one, this could be that moment. The moment where all the hard work finally starts paying off, or the moment where something unexpected shifts everything again. Either way, that's exactly what makes this so interesting to watch. Now imagine this. After all the time, all the effort, all the pressure, we're finally getting close to seeing what this rebuild actually leads to in the end. That alone builds serious anticipation. Because people are no longer just watching casually anymore. They're fully invested now. They want to see the outcome. They want to see if everything actually works. And that's exactly why this Monday drop matters so much. It's not just a delayed video. It's a continuation of a story that people are completely locked into now. A story that's been building step by step and is now approaching a critical stage. So when that video finally drops, you already know it's going to be one of those you watch from start to finish. No skipping at all. Because at this point, every single second could matter. And honestly, this could easily be one of the most important uploads in this entire Bugatti journey so far. But here's the part that makes it even more interesting. This isn't just about what we see in the video, it's about what it leads to after. Because one big moment in a rebuild like this can unlock everything else. It can speed things up, or completely change the direction again. And that's exactly why people are paying closer attention now than ever before. Now listen, if you've made it to this point, you already know this isn't just another update. Something serious is building here right now. If you love the update, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Because when that video goes live, we're breaking it down instantly. And trust me, you don't want to be late on this one. Because whatever drops on Monday, it's not just going to be big. It's going to be revealing. It's going to answer questions people have been quietly asking. And it might even change how this entire rebuild is viewed. And the craziest part? We're all about to see it at the same time.